Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up headers and footers in Excel. Start by opening your workbook and navigating to the Page Layout or Insert tab, then choose Header and Footer to enter editing mode. I will walk you through inserting text, page numbers, and dates, plus attaching an image or logo. Follow along at your own pace and pause when you want to try each step on your document. Open the Header and Footer tools and click the elements you need like page number, date, or file path so they appear where you want them. You can type directly into the left, center, or right boxes to position titles, author names, or confidentiality notes. If you add a logo, use the picture option and resize it to avoid clipping. I'll explain alignment, spacing, and previewing so your header looks balanced before fine-tune margins and header/footer distance in page setup so your header doesn't overlap main content when printed, and check print preview to confirm layout across pages. Use page break preview to see where content splits and apply different first page or odd, and even headers if needed for professional printing. I'll share quick tips on consistent fonts and spacing so every printed sheet looks polished and intentional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.